Is your car having trouble waking up in the morning or sounding like it's hitting speed bumps even when parked? It's time we talk about the unsung heroes under the hood, spark plugs. In this deep dive, we're uncovering the 8 telltale signs of bad spark plugs. Ignoring these signs can lead to engine damage and expensive trips to the mechanic. Let's get to the bottom of what your car is trying to tell you. Sign number 1. Hard starting engine. Struggle to start can be due to worn out spark plugs or spark plug wires, which affect ignition, especially noticeable in colder weather. Sign number 2. Rough idling. Unusual sounds and vibrations during idle point to failing spark plugs that disrupt the engine's smooth operation. Sign number 3. Decreased fuel efficiency. Worn or improperly gapped spark plugs can cause the engine to use more fuel, leading to more frequent fill-ups. Sign number 4. Poor acceleration. Deteriorating spark plug performance can result in a noticeable lag when you try to speed up. Sign number 5. Engine misfires. Spark plug issues can cause the engine to misfire, leading to abrupt interruptions in power and rough running. Sign number 6. Engine knocking. Persistent knocking noises from the engine bay may indicate pre-ignition issues often related to spark plug malfunction. Sign number 7. Check engine light. A lit or flashing check engine light could signal spark plug problems, warning of potential damage to the catalytic converter if not addressed. Sign number 8. Gasoline smelling exhaust. If the exhaust smells like gas, it suggests that the spark plugs aren't igniting the fuel completely, which requires immediate attention to prevent damage to the engine. From stubborn starts to unsettling idles, and from fuel inefficiency to alarming odors, your spark plugs can cause a domino effect of car troubles. Keeping them in prime condition is crucial for your car's performance and longevity. Stick with us for more automotive insights and ensure your ride stays smooth and efficient. Drive safe and keep your spark plugs happy.